Barbecue. We're getting a hot dog and chicken breast. Ours are still staged up over there. There you got chicken intestines cooking on the grill. Yummy, yummy. Hello, Sonic Fun. Oh, really, Petunia? So this is some good street food here. Good street food. Thank you, Sleepy Joe, for the heart me. Here they got leche manok and liempo cooking. So that's leche and manok barbecuing up right there. And that on the skewer there is liempo. Oh, more liempo going right there. Yeah, but I don't know if it's saved, Cindy. I don't know if it actually